This is picoCTF 2025, and today we're gonna attempt to solve another challenge. It's called Flags are Stepic in the forensics category. A group of underground hackers might be using this legit site to communicate. Use your forensic techniques to uncover their message. Additional details will be available after launching the instance. Okay, so even before launching the instance, we are given a hint. So Stepic is a Python library that is used to embed data into images, so steganography. Let's launch the instance and see what else we can find. And we are given a website. So there's a lot of countries with their respective flags. I am trying to click, but nothing happens. Let's see if we are looking at the page source, if we can uncover more. Okay, pretty standard stuff. Flags. And then the image. I'm looking for anything that looks off. Maybe we can... Okay, there's a space here, Sweden and Suriname. Another one here. But hey, look. Republic of the Upanzi. I've never heard of that country. I'm guessing it's not a real country. All the other flags don't have a style applied. This one does. Let's look at the flag of the Republic of Upanzi. Should be near the end somewhere. And here it is. Let's save the image. Oh my, that is a big image. Let's see if we get lucky. Nope. Okay. Remember that library that I mentioned before called Stepic? Choose either encode or decode. I mean, let's try it out. See what happens. Stepic minus D and then the flag. Okay, decompression Bob warning. Yeah, it's a big image. But hey, look, the flag. Let's try the flag. And there we go. All right, if you've liked this, make sure to hit the like button. If you'd like to get notified, hit that subscribe button. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.